Hi! Today I'm going to make a pair of trousers for my little baby to wear on a special occasion. And this is the fabric I chose. It's really soft, it's a cotton, and apparently they told me it's made for raincoats. This pair of trousers doesn't fit him anymore, but I loved how they look on him. So I'm going to try to copy the style. I'm going to make an elastic waistband, the same as in the ankles. So I'm going to try to copy this one and taking into account the measurements of one pair that still fits him. With my trousers folded, I'm going to trace the shape. And these are my 4 panels. I'm going to sew the 2 front ones and the 2 back ones, and then by the middle the fly and the back, and then sew them together through the inside. And the last bit will be to sew the sides. I'm going to sew them together through the inside part of the legs. I don't know why the thread is breaking so much. This is the base of the trousers made, and I think it's a bit big compared to that one, although that one doesn't fit him anymore, but I think it's a bit big. So in case it doesn't fit him, the only thing I have to do is make a second seam so it's a bit tighter. So the model just tried on the trousers and it's a bit long, so I'm going to cut a little and add the waistband, and that's really it. And I'm going to use a bit of elastic for the ankles, and this one that I took from one of my trousers when I was pregnant, I think, for the waistband. It's really nice because it's soft. And for the waistband I'm going to cut a rectangle that has to be double the width of the elastic band and a bit more, because I need to keep space for the hem. And then it's going to be double the length of the trousers. So I want the seams not to be seen, so I'm going to sew the side first and then somehow keeping the elastic in, folding. So I have my waistband on, and now what I need to do is to put the elastic band in the ankle bit, and for that I'm going to use a safety pin. And this is the final result. I'm in love with them. They're so cute. I think he won't really care about them, but I think they're nice. It's the first pair of trousers I make, so they need a few improvements, of course, but I'm quite happy with them. They look okay. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!